was going for it. She was going for it. Damn, he ate it. Oh my God, she ate it. Oh, oh, this one came out of nowhere. Oh my. I was going, well, where's the other one at? Somebody catch it.
That's the one I saw.
These are spawning. Let's start the day. Nice little like 2 pound, 2.5. One out there? Oh, you got him. Go ahead, Peyton. Oh, that is a nice one. And that's a chunk flipper. Flip, there you go, buddy. I give it 2 pounds. I give her 2 pounds on the dot. 2 pounds on the dot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir, 2 pounds on the dot. That's a nice one. Keep fishing this area and the bass should still be in the area. They usually don't leave their beds out of their sight. Oh yeah, go ahead, buddy. Told you they won't leave the bed out of their sight. Good job. Mm-hmm. So a little like third cast with the minnow. Nice little bass. Oh, it's a crappie, bro. It's a crappie. Well, I just caught a crappie on a bass bait. That's cool. Maybe, yeah. That's cool.